Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna make a new review. I know it's been a long time since I posted something on my YouTube. I'm gonna review two palettes and I got them from Luminess Cosmetics and they look stunning. So I thought, why not review them? I've never tried them, I just did some swatches and yeah, I just want to see how they work on my eyes. These pretty babies. I'm gonna use one of them to create a look. Yeah, I'm very excited to try it out because they look so pretty. I mean, come on, look at this. Look at this. This pigmentation is so pretty. Also this one. I'm really excited to try out this red one. I've never had any red eyeshadow. It looks gorgeous, I swear. I can't wait to try it out. First, I'm gonna make a base. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, put on some concealer on my eyes and create a kind of eyeshadow base, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have primed my eyes, I've primed my eyes with concealer, the Naked Skin concealer from Urban Decay. I love to prime my eyes with it. I set it with a powder afterwards, and that's just because I'm too lazy to use a real primer for your eyeshadow. But that's just me. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette because I really want to use some color shades. I think I'm just gonna dive in with the red shade and create a halo eye. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this red shade and put it right on top on my crease. This eyeshadow hasn't much pigment on it. It doesn't fall out. So let's see how it is on the eye. Shall we? Okay. So this is not what I expected. I thought it would be red, but it's kind of like a pinkish red. But yeah, okay. We're gonna blend out the edges now. I'm gonna try it one more layer. So it is kind of red, but it has too much pink in it when I apply it on my eye. And like this on my finger, it is red, but then on my eye, it doesn't show up really red. Like more of a, I don't know, it's red but much pink, has pink in it. But so far the pigmentation is really pretty. It's easy to blend out. So yeah, let's do our other eye. Oh, by the way, the brush that I'm using is has no name, I think. I bought it somewhere in a place, but it's just a fluffy brush. And I use it forever and ever. I always use it. It's my best brush, and this is Sigma blending brush E25. I love to use this to blend my outer corners with. I'm gonna use this purple shade and apply it right where my in the outer corners of my eyes. If something gets on first. Okay, so I see the purple shade is much harder to pick up on the brush, but it's okay. When you just grab a little more, it's gonna be fine. I'm using a small brush just because I like to work in these small spaces like the inner and outer corner of my eye. Now also I'm gonna do it on my other eye. I think it's because the red, I don't know, the red seems darker than the purple, that's why you can see it that well. But on camera, I don't know if you see it. I don't know if my camera is good enough for that. So now that we have applied this on the outer corners, I'm gonna use the same brush we used the red with, and just gonna blend it all in. And you may notice that I'm using a lot of brushes for the same thing. So I'm gonna use the same brush because I always use the same brushes, even though it has product on it. I always tap it off like that because I'm a lazy motherfucker and I don't have that many brushes. So yeah. Anyhow, I'm gonna use the blue shade now. I hope it's gonna be darker, and I'm gonna also put it on the outer corners and the inner corner of my eye to create a dimension. And after that, I'm gonna highlight the upper part of my eye. Okay, let's see how this blue does. First, let me swatch it so we don't be disappointed. Okay, it's kind of sheer. Good. Let's see how it does. Okay, you can definitely see it on my eyes, and I think it would be more pigmented if I just use blue, not on red or anything. So I think it's quite pigmented, and it does blend really well with the other colors. By the way, I'm just noticing that I'm not even mentioning the shade names. I'm just saying this shade and that shade. I'm sorry, I'm such a person, but it's who I am. Also gonna do it on the other side, of course, because we don't want to be looking like we did only half an eye and we got beaten up at the streets. Not even going anywhere. I'm just doing this because, yeah, I love makeup. Okay, so now that we look like we've been beaten up by some stranger in a crazy alley, let's blend it out. I'm going to use a clean brush this time. It's a tapered blender from Boozy Shop. It has a bit of fallout though. I can see it here, but it's not... I've seen worse, so it's not a big deal. I'm going to just blend everything out really nice like this, so we can create beautiful colors. So now that we've done this, we're gonna grab our concealer again and conceal our eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna use a flat brush for this because I like to work really precise with creating such a halo or crease. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab it like this and just put it on my brush, because I don't want to put it directly on my eye because it gets messy. It gets so messy. So yeah. You know guys, this is the first time I create a halo eye with concealer, so this could be messy. So now that we've got our halo, we're gonna use like a flat brush. Okay, we're gonna use the Sigma Eye Shading E55 brush, and I'm gonna apply the shade Invincible on the lid. I'm really curious how that's gonna look. Oh wow, this pigment. Whoa, this is not what I expected. My boyfriend's so sweet. He brought me a sandwich. This, the shade Invincible is really pigmented and it's really pretty. Now we're gonna just blend it out with the blue again. Now that we have done that, look at this. I don't know if you see how amazing it looks on the camera. It looks pretty amazing in real life though, so fuck all your opinions. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna do the other eye now. Just same way, use concealer and brush, create the ding, create the thing, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it looks like I freaking nailed it. This eye is a bit worse than this eye, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna do my face makeup, lashes on, everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back and I have done my makeup. My final thought about the Luminous Cosmetics Strength Palette is it's amazing. It's so worth the money. It feels heavy. It looks extremely expensive, luxurious, and super pretty. And the quality is like really good. Except for the red shade, I thought it would be like red, but it's more like a pinkish tone. But you know, you can have everything you want in life, so you just gotta accept it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my review. It's my first ever eyeshadow review, so don't be too hard on me in the comments. Also subscribe because I have a foundation routine video coming. This foundation routine, because yeah, your girl ain't got no time for filming so much, so I just put it in one video. Yeah, bye bye. I hope you enjoyed, and please comment and like.